Let me show you how to get help on a function in MacroScheduler. First of all, you'll want to be in the editor where you're going to write your macro. You wouldn't really want help anywhere else in it. And there's a lot of ways that you can get some help. First of all, you've got a list here of all the different functions, all conveniently categorized. One way you can get help on a function, if you're using this, let's say that you're we'll just use append file. Let's say you're using the code builder. You can just hit the command reference button and the built-in help file will open up at, let's just make that small so it fits, at the correct topic. Let's just put some stuff in, rubbish in. Let's say you've already written your command. When you've got the cursor on a function, you can see down here some helpful information showing you the format of the function. And when you're in a parameter, it bolds the one that you're in. So as you can see, it's moved to the next parameter, so I can see what I need to write. Okay, of course you could, rather than write it out in long form, you could edit it in the code builder where you've got all this information to help you. It tells you exactly what it wants, and of course, as I said, you could click the command reference button if you want help. Okay, so that's how you can get help for things you're doing, you're building with the code builder or in the script itself. If you just want to view the command reference, you can say help, command reference, and then you get the full command reference for every function. And then you could search for a function like this, or if we go back, you've got a list, same structure as the code builder, and you can find your function like that. The context help, so let's write a repeat statement. Okay, the other way is with the cursor on any function, any recognized statement. If you literally just put the cursor on it or on a line and press F1, you get this context sensitive help feature. Do it on the append file, press F1, and we go in. So let's do the send command. Press F1 while we're on send. Send text it is. I'm using the old format, but the new version is send text. Until and so on. There's two different options in there. That's why you get an option. But you go through to the right place. Put it on append file. Press F1. We go straight to where we want to go. Press F1. Straight in. Okay. If you prefer the long way, if you prefer to waste your time and move your mouse, then with the cursor on a line, so I've put it on a pen file, I could go help, context sensitive. It's exactly the same as pressing F1, which is why F1 is in brackets. So you can see there's lots of different ways. In the editor, you can go straight to the command reference. You can press F1 on any line of code to go to the help for that function. You can also even press this button down here. We have given you lots and lots and lots of different ways that you can get help. There should be no excuse. If you're going to a web browser and searching Google, you've got into the same habit I have. It's all right there, and if you've used any other programming language, you'll be quite used to how this works. This is quite common, this is normal. If you're in a wizard, there's even a link to tutorials on the web, so you go to a video tutorial. If you're in a code builder, you can press command reference and you get information. So you've got the command reference up here, you've got the command reference to that topic in the code builder, you've got a link straight to the topic down here with this button when you're on a line of code, which does the same as F1. So there's three different ways you can do that. You can put the cursor on there, you can press F1, you can press this button, or you can press this button. It's all there.